Well, temperatures continue to climb, especially for those inland areas. Let's take a look at those current temperatures. Already up to 84 degrees in the capital city, 81 in Smithfield, the coast a little cooler in the mid to upper 70s. Now, one of the reasons we're seeing the warming of places like Providence is the wind direction. Here are those wind directions, and you can see right now the winds are from the southwest. Yesterday, they were from the southeast. That wind direction ran right up Narragansett Bay and cooled off Providence, but that will not happen today. So really no cooling effect from the breezes for Providence and anywhere across the West Bay, Warwick, Johnston, up into Cranston, Pawtucket. Temperatures should continue to climb with this wind direction out of the southwest, whereas Newport will flatten temperatures out in the low 80s. Same story here at Narragansett Town Beach. In fact, the beach's the place to be today. Now, we will be keeping an eye on those rip currents, especially late today into tomorrow, and we'll talk about that in just a few minutes. The capital city right now showing beautiful blue skies as things continue to heat up. Nothing showing up right now on live Pinpoint Doppler 12, but there will be a chance of some thunderstorms coming in after around 6 or 7 p.m. In terms of humidity, kind of humid out there today with the heat. Dew points in the mid-60s. However, we drop that dew point down to 57 tomorrow. Friday down to 51, so very comfortable stuff on the way for the end of the week. Now, a cold front is sitting out to the west. This will be responsible for the potential of some of these thunderstorms later on this evening. In fact, we can track these going hour by hour as we go throughout the rest of the afternoon, expecting to keep things dry. Anytime after 6, 7 p.m. through around 10 o'clock, the chance of some showers and thunderstorms. Now, a few of these storms could be strong. However, we don't have the ingredients really coming together to make it a big severe weather night. So the chance is certainly less than 50% of getting those severe storms, but the threat is there. And then as we go into the overnight hours, these showers push away. Behind that, a cleaner air mass moving in, and that will make it more comfortable on the way for tomorrow. So temperatures this afternoon, 86 by 1 o'clock. By 3 p.m. we're up to around 88 degrees. I would not be surprised if a few spots touch the low 90s today. That won't happen at the coast because of these winds coming in from the southwest. Newport at 80 for a high temperature, 81 in Charlestown. But you get just a few miles inland here in western Rhode Island, that's when things can really get warm. 87 in Hope Valley, northern Rhode Island temperatures in the upper 80s, 87 for Burville, 85 Woonsocket, 89 for high temperature in Johnston. And here in eastern Massachusetts, also quite hot with 86 in Taunton, 86 New Bedford, and cooler here in Middletown with a high of 80 degrees. So on the water today, a moderate risk of rip currents. Again, I'm more concerned about tomorrow than today, but by late afternoon, early evening, the potential of some rips will be there. On the water, Narragansett Bay waves 2 to 3 feet. These waves will increase, especially as we head into tomorrow. Could see some 6-footers, even higher than that for the next couple days. Here is Cristobal, responsible for the rip currents and these bigger waves. The storm itself stays very, very far away, but still close enough to bring in those big waves. Remember, we don't have much in the way of friction out over the water, so it's very easy for this energy to transfer to the water and right into our coast. So that's why this afternoon, a moderate risk of rip currents. Tomorrow, it will be high with a high surf advisory in effect. 7-day Futurecast shows a nice trend tomorrow. Very comfortable Friday, upper 70s, mostly sunny. Saturday, heat increases a little bit. Could see an isolated shower or storm on Sunday. Better chance of rain. Looks like it will be on Labor Day, but at least the first part of the Labor Day weekend looking okay.
All right, thank you, Pete. Working some breaking news now on a deadly home invasion in North